Hello streamers, it's your boy Chris from Streamlab HQ, where you explore the best open source entertainment tools for a Kodi setup. Today we are optimizing our Kodi experience with this latest Kodi build that doesn't require any premium service. It's just pure customization. Okay, so it's going to be a very quick step-by-step tutorial, and I advise you to stick till the very end of this video so you don't miss out on any of the installation steps. So the first thing we need to do is to click on this gear icon here. Then when this page pops up, we're going to look for systems. This is it. Okay, then on this page you're going to look for add-ons. So this is it. Then you check these unknown sources. Okay, click yes here. After doing that, go back to the previous page. Then on this page you're going to click on File Manager. And here you're going to add a source by clicking on Add Source. So you're going to click this one. So, and when you get to this page, I want you to enter this repository address. And I want to also remind you that after entering this, there is a particular setup that we need so that the build you are going to install will work perfectly well. So it's not just about adding the repo address and skipping the video. If you miss out on any of the steps, you won't get it right. So this is the repository address. Okay, so after entering it, click OK. And here you're going to enter crew as the media source name. Click OK after entering it. Then click OK again. So you can see it's been added to our media source. Then go back to the previous page. Then on this page, you're going to click on add-ons. Then on this add-ons page, you're going to be doing two installations. The first one will be from the zip file, then the second one will be from the repository. So we're going to do that of the zip file first by clicking on install from zip file. And we choose the media source name, which is crew. Okay. And we select this zip file and give it some seconds to install. Okay. Don't forget that this tutorial works for TV boxes and any Fire TV stick at all, and also your PCs and mobile devices that are support Kodi app. So you can see it's been installed. Then we click on install from the repository. Then we open this the crew repo. Okay. Then on this place we're going to click on video add-ons. Okay. Then look for the crew. And this is it here. So I'm going to click on the crew. And I'll click install. You can see it has some additional add-ons, which is still fine. So I'll click on OK. I'll give it some minutes to install. And you can see it's downloading already. So please, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification bell as well. As you can see, it's been installed now. So okay, you can open it. You can see it has a collection of everything needed for your entertainment. Okay, you can see it gives access to movies, TV shows, sports. So it has some kids content and of course. So that is it for the tutorial. So I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you encountered any issues, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Okay? So you can as well check out some of these other video add-ons. They are very very cool. Okay. So thank you so much for sticking to the very point. And thanks for subscribing as well. So see you next weekend.